big hand, big needle means minute hand. So the time is now. See, first we should write our hand. That is our hand, small hand. Yes or no? That is 8. 8:45. 8:45. 8:45. Now turn the page. In the page number 80, what they given. So the first one is 8 for 55. The next answer is in the 8:55. Wait, I will draw. In the next page, in the page number 80, open page number 80. In that, see, they given clock 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. See dear students, here the small hand in between 8 and 9. The small hand in between 8 and 9. And the big hand exactly equal to 11. Big hand exactly equal to 11. Now what time it is? What they are asking now? What time? See dear student. Here 8 and 9 is there. We consider about 8 only. Small number. 8 o'clock. How many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 8:55. 8 o'clock, 55 minutes. In the next picture, again they given one clock is there. 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. See. The small hand in between 8 and 7. The small hand in between 8 and 7. The small hand in between 8 and 7. And the big hand exactly equal to 10. That is big needle exactly equal to 10. And the small hand in between 7 and 8. Now what time is it? The time is 7 and 8 is there. We should consider 7 only. 7 o'clock. How many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 7:50. What is the time? 7:50. And the third figure. Another one is there in the page number 80. 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. See here. In this, the small hand in between 11 and 12. The small hand in between 11 and 12. But the big hand exactly equal to 10. The big hand exactly equal to 10. Now, what time is it? So, see dear students, the small hand, that is our hand in between 11 and 12. So, we should write 11 first. And this is big hand exactly equal to 10. Means 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 minutes. Means the time is 11:50. What's the time? 11:50. See here. Here how many minutes? Now this is 8 5 minutes left to 9. Only 5 minutes left. If the minute hand comes to exactly equal to 12, the small hand, that is our hand, exactly equal to 9. That is only 5 minutes left to 9. Now here 7:50 is there. Yes or no? How many minutes left to 8? 5, 10. How many minutes? 10 minutes left to 8. Here 11:50 is there. Yes or no? So if the small hand, that is our hand, moves to exactly equal to 12, the small hand comes to 12. That is 12 o'clock. How many left to 12? That is only 10 minutes. How many minutes left here? 10 minutes. Here also 10 minutes left to 8. Here 5 minutes left to 9. 10 minutes left to 8. And 10 minutes left to 12. The next one is AM and PM. The concept of AM and PM. AM and PM. So AM means AM and PM. First, you should understand what is that. That is and here. The first AM, that is anti meridian, and the PM means post meridian, and meridian and post meridian. At what time, at what situation you should use AM and you should use PM. Okay, that is very important. Now we will see about this one, AM and PM. See, the first 12 o'clock after midnight, midnight 12 to midnight, midnight 12 to midday 12. Midday 12. This is AM. Midnight 12 to midday 12. From midday 12 to midday 12 to midnight 12. Midday 12 to midnight 12. That is PM. See, midnight. Midnight means night 12 o'clock. Night 12 o'clock. Midday 12. Midday 12 means afternoon 12. What is that? Afternoon 12. So that one, what time comes in between midnight 12 to midday 12? That is AM. That is ant meridian. Okay. The time in between midday 12 to midnight 12. Midday means afternoon 12 o'clock. Midday means afternoon 12 o'clock. Midnight up to the midnight. That is PM. This is, it comes night time to morning 12 o'clock. This is morning 12 to night 12. That is post meridian PM. Now we will discuss about this one. So see here, I will show. Here one clock is there, dear students. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. See, here What is the time now? 9 o'clock. What is the time? 9 o'clock. Yes or no? 9 o'clock. But now it is AM or PM? It's confused. Yes or no? Now I will tell you. Now Anita is going to school. Anita is going to school. Anita is going to school at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. If Anita going to school at 9 o'clock, is it morning or evening? At what time we will go? Evening time or morning time? Morning time. Yes or no? So morning time means midnight 12 to midday 12. Up to midday 12, that is AM. It means this one is 9 AM. What is that? 9 AM. Here Rama is there. Rama, he went to his home. He went to his home 6 o'clock. After completing of his all work, after completing his all farm work, he went to home. It is AM or PM? After completing means he completed means that is evening time. So midday 12 to midnight 12 means that is PM. You came to school 9 o'clock, that is 9 AM. Okay. After you go to home you are 4:15. Yes or no? 4:15 means that is PM. After 12, midday 12. After 12 o'clock onwards, that is PM. 4:15 PM you should go to your home. Yes or no? So Saturday at what time you will come? 7:30. Okay, that is AM. 7:30 AM. Again you go to your home at what time? 12:15. 12:15 means that is PM. It crossed already 12 o'clock. It crossed after 12 o'clock, that is PM. So 12:15 that is PM. Okay. At night you had your dinner at 8 o'clock. Means that is 8 o'clock PM or AM? PM. 8 PM. If night 2 o'clock you wake up because of fever, you are not feeling well, you wake up at 2 o'clock, night 2 o'clock. That is AM or PM? That is AM. Midnight 12 to midday 12. That is in between, that time is AM. What is that? AM. So if after 12, at night after 12 to morning 12, that is AM. After 12 to night 12 means daytime, after 12 to night 12, that is PM. Dear students, so like this you should do some situations and also write some times. I will give the homework and complete it. Thank you. Have a good day. Good morning everyone. Dear students, in the previous class you all learned about AM and PM, that is anti-meridian and post-meridian. Now all of you open page number 81. All of you open page number 81. Now see dear students, here what they given. Classify the activities which you have listed according to the given tabular column. Here they given two tabular columns to you. You should fill this column. Activities done in the morning period. In the first column, what they given? Activities done in the morning period. Whatever activities you are doing in the morning time, you should write the name of that activities here. Bathing time, tiffin time, and next one is reading time. At what time you will watch the video, so that one you should write. Okay, next one, activities done in the afternoon period. Here in this column you should write activities. Whatever activities you are doing in the afternoon session, you should write this one here one by one. That is what you are doing lunch time and study hour, sleeping time and playing time. Whatever the activities you are doing regularly, so you should write that one by one, and also take picture of this page and send to me by WhatsApp. Next one, what is ante-meridian and post-meridian? Yesterday, in the yesterday period only we discussed about this one. See here, observe. The time between midnight 12 hours to midday 12 hour is called ante-meridian, AM. In the previous class, I explained about this one. The time in between the midnight 12 hour to midday 12, that is we call it as AM. The time between midday 12 hour to midnight 12 hour is called post meridian. That is PM. That is afternoon 12 to midday 12 to midnight 12 hour. Now dear students, see here they given activities to you. Activity 1. Observe the following figure. In the figure, the clock is showing the time of Anita going to school. Write an ante-meridian or post-meridian. So first see here Anita, she is going to school. Here they given clock. In this clock, the small needle exactly equal to 10. The small needle exactly equal to 10 and big needle exactly equal to 12. It means the time is 10 o'clock. So now the question is AM or PM. That is very important. 10 o'clock we already know it. But that is AM or PM. That is very important. What they given? Midnight 12 to midday 12. That is AM. Okay, AM means she is going to school at morning time, that is before midday 12. Yes or no? So that is AM, 10 AM. What is that? 10 AM. See the second activity. Ramaya is a farmer. Observe the following figures in which he is going home after completing his work. The time is shown in the work. It is ante-meridian or post-meridian, right? So, okay, here Ramaya is there. He completed his work and he is going to his home. Okay. Now, in the clock, the small hand exactly equal to 6 and the big hand exactly equal to 12. So, it means the small hand exactly equal to 12 and small hand exactly equal to 6 and the big hand exactly equal to 12. It means the time is 6 o'clock. Time is 6 o'clock. So the question is it AM or PM? So dear students, what they given? Here see, which he is going home after completing his work. He is going home after completing. After completing means evening time. That is the time between midday 12 hours to midnight 12. So midday 12 to midnight 12. That is PM. It means the time is 6 o'clock. 6 PM. What is that? 6 PM. Now the point is, can you tell that time in a 24 hours? If they given 14 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours like this, we should find out whether it is AM ante-meridian or PM post-meridian. Okay. See, in the railway stations, in what they given? 14 hours at the train will depart, or 23 after 23 hours at the time of 23 hours the train will arrive. So like that they will announce. Okay, so what is the time that time? It is for Indian timetable, it is very difficult. So now we will ready to learn time of 24 hours. See here, one clock is there, dear students. Already you know 12 numbers are there in a clock. So here I written 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it means our day, to complete one day, how many hours? For 24 hours. Yes or no? One day equal to how many hours? One day equal to 24 hours. One day equal to 24 hours. If the train departs at 14, at the time of 14, so if they given like this, so what is the time now? If the given number is more than 12, so this is 14. If the given number is more than 12, we should subtract that number with the 12. We should subtract that one. Okay. If the given number is time is less than 12, we should write same as it is, but that is anti-meridian AM. If the given time is more than 12, we should subtract that one with the 12 and write that is PM, post meridian. So dear students, here they given 14 hour, 14 at time 14. So we should subtract this one with the 12. Now the time is 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So now the time is 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, is it PM or AM? Already I told, if the time is more than 12, that is, we should subtract the number with the 12 and write that is PM. So the given time is afternoon 2 o'clock. Afternoon 2 o'clock, not midnight 2. Okay, after it not comes AM, it's PM. See, another one example I will take. If the time is 23 hours, if the time is given time is 23. If the train will arrive at 23 o'clock. If they given like this, what we will do? We should subtract the number, the time with the help of 12. So 23 minus 12. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So the time is 11 o'clock. The time is 11 o'clock. So that is 11 PM, because we subtract the number with 12. If we subtract that one with the 12, and we should write that one PM. If it is not, that is AM. If the time given 24 hours, we should calculate like this. Okay. If they given, again I will take one more example. If they given 19 hours, if they given 19 hours. So here see, if they given 19 hours 30 minutes, if the train will arrive, means, so we should subtract this one with the 12 o'clock. So 0 minus 0 is 0, and 3 minus 0 is 3, and 9 minus 2. So you should hold 9 fingers. 9 minus 2, 1, 2. So 7, and post meridian, not anti-meridian. AM, this one is PM. Because we subtract the number, the given time is more than 12 o'clock. So we should subtract the number with 12 and we should write that is post meridian. In the next, some examples are there, dear students. Now we will see the examples.